talk about how can you switch your account on your DoorDash app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click here on this sign, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on profile. Sorry, you click it. You click here on profile here. Go back. Sorry. So you click on profile here. Then it's going to take you to this list. So then you just scrolling down. You click here on switch account, and here in this list, can you switch your account here in this list on your DoorDash app? It's going to show for you a list here. So then here can you switch your account. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Just waiting to open video here.